hit a bird. That sucked. We just adjusted the shocks, so we're gonna go ride around and see if it feels a little better before we put the bags back on that are over there. It's nice and cool out now. We'll go on the super bumpy road, see if the shocks feel any better. Hopefully they'll be alright. Tomorrow we're going to our friend's house to hang out and play some music. Oh, I thought that was a dead thing. It was just a bunch of wood. Bunny! Alright, this is the bumpy road. We'll see what Lisa says. Kind of seems a little better. It's a little less travel, a little less bumpy, not springing around so much. I don't think it seems worse, so that's good. I think it is better. This is the ultimate test. This road is super bumpy. But yeah, I think it's better. It's way better. I hate this road. We will wait for all the cars. Do 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 do. And we'll go now. Hit a bird. That sucked. I really hope it's okay. I was really expecting it to fly faster. Oh my gosh. I really hope it's okay. Please be okay. Jesus, why did that happen? What the hell? Like, why? Why did that happen to me? Oh my gosh. I'm assuming it's okay because there's no like blood on my windshield or anything. Hope it was just a little love tap. I don't know. Did you see that we hit a bird?
Yeah, what hit the windshield?
A bird!
Yeah.
I was like, are you kidding me?
I was like, what the fuck?
A bird! Anyways, did the suspension feel better?
Yeah.
I kind of think it was, right? I mean, it's still a little bumpy, but it wasn't so, like...
So rocky.
So springy, right?
Yeah.
Was it a little cushier?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. We can put the bags back on. It's the 4th of July. Happy birthday, America. And I said we weren't going to do it, but we're riding the motorcycle to go to our friend's house to celebrate and play music today. And they live over in Missouri. But my parents actually had plans to go to the casino right by their house, so they offered to kind of escort us over there since we will be on the highway for a short stretch. I feel fairly confident about going on the highway for a short period of time. We've been getting up to pretty good speeds on some of those backcountry highways, going like 70, 75 miles an hour. So me and Lisa talked about it, and we feel okay doing that for like a short stretch, because otherwise we would have to take the highway the whole way there, which we were considering, but I don't think that's the smartest idea, especially on the 4th of July with a bunch of crazy people out traveling and stuff. So we're gonna take the back roads for as long as we can, and then we'll have a short stint on the highway. But first, we have to go get gas, because that's what we do. And you're to blame. But the highway that we're gonna be going on isn't as busy as the one that we would have went on if we would have took the highway the whole way there. That bug just went in my mouth. So yeah, the people that we're going to see right now are some good friends of ours that we met when we used to live down in St. Louis years ago. And every time we come down here, we always make sure to see them. They're super awesome people, and it's really fun. We love it. Oh, here comes that damn roundabout. It is really pretty out here. Plus, you don't always want to get anywhere the fastest you can, right, on a motorcycle. You want to take the long way. We want to be on our motorcycle as long as possible, right? So yeah, I kept going back and forth about driving to Missouri today, because I didn't know how I felt about getting on the highway, even for a short period of time. And Lisa is the one who kept pushing me. She's been pushing me all along to keep testing my limits. She's been encouraging me a lot. And like I said, we've been going on these back roads. Like right now I'm going 60. Yesterday we went to like 70, 75. So I've been getting accustomed to getting up to speed. So I feel pretty confident about that part. And I feel pretty good about like being aware of, you know, traffic and situational stuff. So I mean, that's really what is most concerning to me, is just looking out for other people on the highway. So that's why my parents offered to let us follow them out that way today, because they're going to a casino this morning. And I was like, yeah, it's probably a good idea for the first time on the highway to have somebody looking out for us. Happy Days. I think I remember that place. I think I had ice cream there once. Those things always crack me up. What movie was that in? Where that one of those was like taunting somebody and he like beat the crap out of it? That place looks fun. Fresh Mix Cantina. I just love I love little places in the middle of the country. You just find the coolest places out in the middle of nowhere. Love it. So I was looking up online, like, how long people generally wait when they first start riding before they get on the highway. And I know there's no, like, one-size-fits-all answer. You know, it's different for everyone. Comfort level, skill level, you know, different situations. But some people said that they rode on the highway on their first day getting a motorcycle. And I'm like, well, that's just stupid. But the majority of people said after a couple of weeks they ventured out onto the highway. And I get that, because I feel like every day I'm going a little bit faster, testing my limits a little bit more, and I feel more comfortable with it. This is not a highway, though. Were they saying that this is a highway? Because I don't consider this a highway. Maybe it turns into a highway? I don't know. That was fun. And that's what motorcycles can do. A twist of the throttle. And off you go. Alright, so now we're getting on the highway. motorcycle ain't playing. When you need that power, it's there. I'm surprised, even with two of us on here. Not gonna lie though, I don't like bridges. Just gotta be quiet for a minute. Here's Telegraph Road. Need some airflow. And then we're going to stop at the store and get some beer. I don't know if I'm going to remember how to take this way back tomorrow. This road sucks. It's got a bunch of grooves in it, which my skinny front tire does not like. I'm gonna have to take the highway back the whole way tomorrow. I'm not gonna remember all these back roads. So yeah, this is St. Louis. I know Queen sits from here. She's cool. Just walk right at me, bro. So yeah, now we're just gonna go to the store to get some beer. Ow! I just burnt my leg because my pant leg's up and I'm a dumbass. Oh well. Stupid ass.
In the STL, baby. In the STL. Golf carts. America and golf carts.